Hi, my name is Nairn and I'm the drum teacher at Morningside School of Music. I've been working here for just over a year and I love it. It's got a great group of passionate, hard-working teachers who know what they're talking about. One of the things I love about teaching at Morningside School of Music is the flexible working hours. I can teach in the morning, the afternoon or the evenings. It's totally up to myself and that can be whether it's at school or at home and I pick the structure of the lessons of what I would want to teach. The staff here are great. We've got a really friendly, passionate bunch of teachers who know what they're talking about, and we go on staff nights out, there's bowling, going out for drinks and that sort of thing. We all have a really good laugh here and we get on really well and we've all got something in common which makes it so fun to work here.